In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 2v2 in Stickwire Saga. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can play 2v2 multiplayer in Stickwire 3, aka Stickwire Saga. So first, make sure that you configure your decks. You will be able to create them over here. You can make various different decks. And once you have a deck selected, good to go, you will be able to queue up to play 2v2. So to do this, tap on play at the bottom right corner of the screen, and by default, the campaign will be selected. What you have to do is switch from campaign to 1v1 or 2v2. You also have the option to choose events. So if all you want to do is play 2v2, choose the option here at the bottom of the screen. So you will have 2v2 multiplayer standard and 2v2 multiplayer deathmatch. During the time that I'm recording this video, standard has 323 players versus 697 on deathmatch, so it seems like deathmatch is the most popular choice. So choose any of these modes and you will be able to select your currently equipped deck. So you can swipe to the left and right, you can choose over here at the top, and you will be able to play. You will have your match history here and your current rank. So once you are satisfied and you have selected your deck, tap play and matchmaking will begin. So I'm gonna let this matchmaking queue run, and if it finds a match, I'll be able to showcase the start to you. Now I'm not going to go too in depth about tips to win and what you can do. This is only supposed to be a video on how you can queue up for 2v2, but after you queue in, it is very intuitive. You will be able to use your units to try and win the match and outsmart your opponents. It is simple to do, and the option will be available right away when you open Stickwire Saga and you set up a deck. So once the match is found, you will automatically be able to begin. Now, before I end this video, I want to highlight something that I've noticed when I check the channel metrics. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems and videos about stuff like Stickwire Saga. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.